Okay guys, today we have Nissan XTERRA 2023. It has only 3000 kilometers on it. It's brand new. So you know what we do? We test the car, we test the speed, we test the acceleration. Let's start it up. It's a push button start. Okay, so we got XTERRA logo. It's a quite simple interior with manual gauges. Let's do the speed test. So first thing we are going to try with this one is in drive mode, normal mode. Let's rev it up, and okay, now we are going to launch this one. It's in drive mode. Okay, just let me put the traction control off. Traction control is off, and here we go. Max. I think 180 is okay. Yeah, it's reaching out its max. That's 180. Okay, let's do this. Let's do the braking test on from 100. Nice braking. I will try the manual mode. Now we are going to try the manual mode. Okay, let's rev it up. I hope the wheel spins. No wheel spin. Oh, bad shift. Bad shift, bad shift, bad shift. Try again. Okay, rev it up. We are in fourth. There's no need to use the 6th and 7th gear to reach out the max. That's it. And it's pretty disappointing that the car with 7 gears can hardly reach up to 180. And it takes too long. That's too much of a time to reach 180. Let's brake test. That was amazing spot stop. Okay guys, I hope you liked it, and we are going to head back. Let's discuss the fuel economy. It's a 7-gear automatic transmission, and if I'm cruising at 120, it gives me around 9.8, 9.5, you can say maximum 10 kilometers in 1 liter. That which is not good when you have 7 gear. Like we have 6 and 7 here. We have 7 gears. So if you have 7 gearbox, 7-speed gearbox, and you get maximum 10 kilometers in 1 liter at 120, this is bad. This is not good. About the ride quality, the recommended tire pressure is 35. As you can see, it's 35, and we had to reduce it to 28 something to get a comfortable ride. So it's quite bumpy and uncomfortable when you consider it on road driving, but we haven't tried it off-road, and let's see how it performs off-road. It seems nice. I have driven only for like 100 and 200 meters, but it was quite nice. So I hope it performs well. The engine is not that much powerful, but it will do the job. I hope so. And rest about the interior. The interior is quite simple, roomy, better than the Fortuner. My kids were saying that Baba, it's much more roomier than the Fortuner. About the gauges, I like these manual gauges. The fake dashboards with speedometers, speedometers, digital speedometers, they are quite artificial. I like those gauges. But the thing is that I'm cruising at 100 kilometers or 105 kilometers, and my RPM is above 2000, which is really very disappointing. It's a 7-speed automatic, and it's in 7th gear, and still the RPM is above 2000, which is disappointing. I have an Acadia, and the RPM goes around at the same level which it has when I'm cruising at 135 or 138 something. So, and it is I don't remember, maybe 6 gears automatic transmission, 6-speed automatic transmission. So it let's make it simple. I will update the off-road review in few days. Let me try it on when I will go off-road. Otherwise, yeah, it's a nice car. You have to get down the tire pressure to 28 to 30 to get a comfortable ride. fuel economy is really bad. It is giving me around 10 plus, maximum 11 if when I consider this speed, or 120, which is the normal speed on highways. It's giving 9.8 or max 10. So the fuel economy is not impressive, not impressive. But this car is meant for off-road, and let's try this off-road.